Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Are you ready? 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 Are you ready?
Smokey! One knock, two knock off. One knock, three knock off. Ching, have every girl pan lock. Fat girl, slim girl, one give me that. Chew me cool like that. Make every girl just drop. I'm so black, me black with 7K. When me say K, me not talk AK. You can see me pan every TV. One knock, two knock off. One knock, three knock out. One knock, four knock. You're liable for put up.
Alright, remember it is our second night of SmackDown. Each and every second Wednesday right here. Talking about the captain of the ship. This couldn't happen without her. She's the one who's holding this together. Everybody knows her as Miss G. Give it up for the owner of the club. Come on, make some noise! Oh my goodness, I love her. I just love her. It's all about sexy voice. So be here. Remember, it's every second Wednesday. Of course, I'm your host, Lady Pepper. We got Selfie TV in the house talking about cannabis. So this is official. Yes, indeed. Big up your damn self.
Selfie TV. No cassette, no CD, no serious enough.
Boxers, you did a splendid job, and I feel very, very proud to be here tonight. Now, Jody, you are the winner. On behalf of DD James, I'd like to present this gift to you. Party continues right now. Selfie TV, watch it again,
Alright now, as you see up on live, Cannabis Selfie TV, no cassette, no CD, no DVD. I'm right here with Miss G. We had Smackdown Wednesdays right now, the thing fully smacking and popping. I swear to God with the ladies from Jamaica and other Caribbean islands. Miss G, name some participating parishes representing for Smackdown Wednesdays.
Alright. The Boxer came all the way from St. James, one of them. Right, and we had another boxer that came from Kingston, and in particular we had people that just came in to visit and to participate with us, just to have fun with us, that came out of Kingston, Spanish Town. And the way that we are promoting right now, we're looking for some people coming out of the other Caribbean countries, because I mean this thing is going to be wide. You know we're going up to the 26th of this month.
Yeah,
26th of December, sorry.
So can you tell me something, any other countries out there you're looking forward to participate with this movement that is going on right now in Trinidad, Jamaica?
I'm speaking to some people from Bahamas, from the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Hey man, I wanna proud like I'm a paved off. Me feel for rough, pull up here in the scarf. Pull up like the streets, me.
Cannabis Selfie TV, we are watch.